Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 8th of December 2022. So today I want to talk a bit about Anthony Loke. Just now what his statement, he had an interview with this Skinny TV what he said. Just want to touch a bit because that day I already talked about Anthony Loke a bit what he did unconditionally support this Anwar, right? So before that so you see today is already Thursday, right? Tomorrow Friday we don't expect the market to go up. So we only got one more week window to play only because 19 onwards okay, all the fund manager already closed their bag, already packed their thing going for holiday already. Christmas week Christmas week. I don't think a lot of things. I don't think market will go in somewhere end of the year end of the year, Christmas week and end of the year. So this fund manager will not spend a lot of money. You not throw a lot of money in the market because they want to close their account, this and that, right? So they want to off for holiday 2 weeks probably, right? 2 weeks holiday or until first, right? So until next year. So market will not move. So one more week window. See FOMC only. FOMC. Great response from FOMC. Maybe market still can push a bit, but if not, I think unlikely the market will go up anymore Okay, so Anthony Loke finally, okay, you see Anthony Loke finally he has his interview, and what he said is that he don't want to cause tension, right? Because negotiation between this Anwar and BN, right? He say he don't want to cause tension, because if he cause tension, right, the party crack, the party cannot agree, okay, then everybody lose. So he become the sacrifice, right? As I said, that's why he didn't say he become sacrifice, he say a lot of people in DAP, a lot of party member, of course not happy of course I said it's not ideal, and I said what, it's not ideal but better than none. This is the same thing he said also, right? He said, you see, but it's in Chinese, the interview is in Chinese, right? He also say that, okay, look from another angle. He say at least they are 4 MPs, okay, in parliament, right? Okay, at least they got 4 seats in parliament, right? Okay, so consider, you cannot compare to last time, okay? You can compare last time after PH win, okay, they got 6, okay, this time they got 4, but you cannot always compare to last time, right? Because last time is last time, this time is this time, better than none, okay, not ideal, better than none, and he said if he cause friction, and he also said, right, if there's friction there, you know what will happen, PN will be the government. But whether you want to sacrifice or you want cause friction or fight for many posts, okay, disagree with Anwar. So you see, right, he give the green light for Anwar to go and negotiate, okay, without any burden. That's why, okay, sometimes when you are backing somebody, right, you cannot expect, I back him, I must have this position, you see. Last time I worked in big company, okay, public listed company, okay, quite high level inside is also politics, full of company politics, and inside also political people inside the company also got Tan Sri, Dato, all these things so also a lot of political people, okay, a lot of political connected people. Also the company a ton of politics not only one, a few but there are company that without politics. Very strong leader without politics, wow, I can tell you the company fly like a rocket. Okay, but that is very rare Most major big company, public listed company, politics definitely have one. So inside when we are into politics, right? Okay, sometime, okay, we have to sacrifice first. Okay, get the trust. Okay, get the trust first, okay, push somebody up and make sure he will look back and help you. If this person, right, that you push up really appreciate you, okay, he will come back and pull you up. Okay, if he doesn't appreciate you, then we know who is him already, or who is he. Okay, so sometimes when we push someone up, we cannot expect, oh, I must want this because I push you up, I want this. So he's like the, you know, how do you call it, unconditional support. Anwar, right? It's like somebody behind him pushing him up, give him the 100% support, so Anwar can go and negotiate, become PM without any burden. So he did the ultimate sacrifice. And as he said, whether the sacrifice is worth it or not, we don't know. We let the future, we look back, let the history judge, okay? Let next time the future judge whether this is correct or not. So as I also say, when we invest in stock, right, no doubt we do all the analysis, okay, but nobody can guarantee this purchase is wrong or right. Okay, we only in stock, we only want to make sure that we let's say we buy 10 stock, we do the proper homework. Okay, 6 is up, okay, maybe 4 is drop, or 7 is up, 4 is drop. So we lose 3, we win 6, right? We win 7, enough. Okay, so nobody know. So he also said nobody know, right? Nobody can confirm. But he said a lot of party members not happy. Okay, as I said also, right? Sometime go in first. Okay, whichever you have, don't nego before you jump in. Nego, nothing happen. The party crack. Okay, PN become the government. Of course, some of you happy PN become government is okay. Okay, for me it's okay. I'm just talking about Anthony Loke. This case lah. If you're happy PN become government, no problem, right? If you are happy PN become government, no problem. No problem. Or for him, what he did, okay, he give the alternate sacrifice, and also he get, at least now he get 4 more seat, right? At least he get 4 seat lah, which is not ideal, but not bad also lah. Then I said, once you in politics, you go in, you grab whatever position you have first, okay, then you perform. Let people show people that you can really do the job, and you are, and DAP is not how do you call it, racist, because PKR couldn't get a lot of this Malay vote, right? Okay, Malay vote, because I think lah, Malay, because PKR connect to DAP, so Malay a bit worry lah, because this DAP is too how do you call it, too much Chinese thinking lah. They are afraid that it might affect them. So you go up and show that you are serving the public. Okay, you are not only a Chinese agenda party, serve the public, show that you can, okay, you can help everybody. So next time election come in, okay, then you should really show that you can do well, and all the other races also trust you already. Then maybe then you got chance to get more seat. Okay, then you can ask, okay, this time our party is so strong, okay, and the party is strong, and you get the vote, you know, and the whole party can get not win by because of combine, right? Your party is very strong, you win the election already, and definitely Anwar will need the Malay the vote from the Malay people, right? This time PH win, okay, a lot is Chinese vote. Of course, the Bumiputra vote, the Malay vote also got a lot, but it's only a minor part. Okay, 11% if not mistaken. Okay, so if you put a lot of DAP inside, okay, probably they are going to get less next time. So the next election they will lose. Also, give and take lah. So if you put DAP not too many, okay, next time, and you show that you can do a lot, you can do very good work, okay, you can show very good work, maybe next time, okay, this PH can get more Malay vote, or then only next election they got chance to win. This election PH did not excel, right? PH actually dropped, right? Okay, why they win? Because why they won? Because the Malay vote, okay, is big split between UMNO and PN, right? Because a split of the Malay vote, only they managed to win, right? Only PH managed to win. So he also understands this. It's not because they won, it's because the other party lose, right? So they split. So the only friction only because they only win because the anti-hopping law and this BN, okay, this BN their last minute their 10 MP pull back their SD, okay, to support this PN, and because it cannot, also because of the anti-hopping law, only because of the anti-hopping law only help them, you know, to win. But it's not because PH won, you know, because the other party lose, you know. Okay, so I mean, what I said last time, right? Okay, is almost I expressed his feeling. So this time he really tell what he really tell the public what he's doing, what his emotion, why he did this, why he did this. So you see, it's quite similar to what I told you last time, right? Okay, so this is between, you know, when you really understand politics, okay, when you really understand politics, right? Because of course he understand politics, he is a top man in DAP, right? Secretary, what they call it? Yeah, Secretary General, right, of this DAP, right? So of course he know politics lah, or else he will not sit at the top seat at this DAP, right? So this is just politic. I mean, it's a political move lah. It's a political move, a political sacrifice that he did lah. So he finally voiced out lah why he did this, all this lah. Well, a lot of Chinese will hate him lah for that lah. But I tend to agree a lot of things he do. Okay, a lot of things he do based on political. Okay, but hopefully this time show people that you can do the job. Last time you see you won 6 job, you said won 6 seat. How? What was the performance? What was the performance, right? Things that people expect them to do, they didn't do, right? Things that people don't expect them to do, they didn't do. Okay, so hopefully this time they show. Okay, after they show that they can do. Okay, after they show they can do, then next election they can ask for more, and people will trust them. Even the Malay will trust them. So do it first, then only ask for more lah. This is what I think lah. But you are PN, you support PN. Okay, I'm not against PN but I'm not against PN okay, but there's a but there lah. But Muhyiddin, during the how he handled COVID is a very bad experience for me lah. It's a very bad experience Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Subscribe, like, share, and comment. Let's check out the introduction first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, talk about a bit about politics. So maybe people might scold me. I don't know much about politics. Want to talk about politics but you know, I see Anthony Loke. He is, you know lah. He got all the pressure. I see from his face. He was so under so much stress, under this depressed, under so much stress, right? After he got unconditionally support Anwar Ibrahim, you know, our PM, you know, and he also didn't fight for more seat, you know. He under so much stress lah. So I think a lot of people asked him to step down, all these things lah. But I just want to, if you are in politics long enough, I just want to, you know, help him say a few good things lah. But right or not, it's up to you. It's up to you to think lah, and up to the future to judge lah what he did right or not. Okay, CJSMB, I want to open account. Okay, the link is below. Okay, let's go through. Let's go to today market. Okay, today KLCI 0.065% drop, 1465, 0.9%, quite a lot. when I talk about, I talk a lot of stories, right? My sound, my voice also gone, because talk too much. Singapore dropped up 0.330. Hong Kong up 3.377. Very big rebound. South Korea 0.492 drop. Japan 0.404 drop. Thailand 0.110 drop. Philippines 2.236 drop. That's why during the interview, Anthony Loke also say you have to look at things from another angle. Okay. China 0.185, SSE up. FTSE, China SSE 0.071% drop. SXSE 0.254% drop. Australia 0.746% drop. Indonesia 0.213% drop. New Zealand 0.053% up. Taiwan 0.526% drop. India Nifty 0.263% up. So a little bit a little bit flat some up, some down So expect today, Thursday, Friday, next week FOMC. So everybody is waiting for FOMC. No fund manager will how do you call that? Will open big investment prior to FOMC unless they hear some very big news UK 0.115% drop. DAX 0.061% drop So yesterday Dow Jones 0.005% up. NYSE 0.109% drop. S&P 0.186% drop. Nasdaq 0.511% drop So US also quite weak crude palm oil 3970 drop. Brent oil 77.9 up a bit. Crude oil 72.91 up a bit, but it's still dropping so we have to be careful Oil I already said, oil already reached the peak already probably. Okay, gold 1794. Gold is on its way up, but I think if you after, because it went up quite some time already, it will drop first before it goes up again. Silver 22.9 Okay, today ringgit 3 ringgit. USD to ringgit is 4.395 so same like yesterday. Okay, look at BURSA 39 This sentiment, gainers 370, losers 567. Not so good 3.190 billion turnover, 1465. So market yo-yo morning retail sell, then institution buy a bit, then after lunch also sell again, then buy a bit. So it's just yo-yo today, nothing much today big, all red a lot red today. MQ-Tech also dropped yesterday. I also told you MQ-Tech, I think the goring for political goring I think finished already. ASB also dropped consumer 0.07 drop. Industry 0.52 drop. Construction 0.22 up. Technology 0.55 drop. Finance 0.39 drop. Property 0.66 drop. Plantation 0.1 up. REIT 0.57 drop. Energy 1.68 drop. Healthcare 0.51 drop. Telco 0.3 drop. Transportation 1.01 drop. Utility 0.24 drop Okay, take a look at KLCI So KLCI is holding at 1465 Okay, that's why important this support area. Okay, if you can hold here, maybe still got chance up, but if you drop below, then likely it will come back to 1433 So I don't so market I don't think it can move a lot during this time. Very near to FOMC. Okay, so today I'll look at the sector Energy, I said this one is a false break so it's coming back down so be careful Energy is a false break coming back down. Transportation also not doing well after a big rebound, because it's still controlled by this downtrend channel so it hit the top channel coming back down. Okay, so today got a bit response today I got post Mr. Bean WASEONG Energy, I say energy could be dropping so be careful So now the cost is 168 now so this Mr. Bean today very sleepy me also no IC who else? John Sniper also sleepy. Doris also sad Christina boring Lucas. I could talk about AAX a bit John Sniper say AAX sitting overbought maybe for pullback hopefully we'll fly once PRC open. So some will also John Sniper happy AAX. So high goring, high risk to goring Kok Lim say So I'm not asking to goring this one I said hold for a few years not the goring. Every day don't just every day goring Sometimes find some stock which is value then buy and keep Kenanga start to cover this KOTRA give you target 7 ringgit quite high KOTRA take a look KOTRA. Okay, wow, okay, KOTRA and the top channel already, wait for it to come down, then only buy come down maybe around this 4.5 area bottom channel, then only buy you want to buy. KMM4 because default on this defaulted 3 credit for 714 million so KO don't so BONIA you need to acquire KL property 35 million probably they want to expand their business so take a look at BONIA. So BONIA already break out okay, already break out double bottom, so already holding at the neckline. So you look at auto profit no sell signal, continue to hold. Okay, if you got sell signal then out so still okay continue to hold. Or if you don't have the auto profit, wait for a big red candle, then you got big red candle, then out Okay, WASEONG profit went up second quarter, 1 million to 70 million okay, and revenue also 119% up, 336 to 737 million. For 6 months up 112%, 110 to 22 million. Profit 670 to 1.2 billion revenue so quite good this WASEONG long term you can take a look WASEONG here you see it's still on the downtrend channel. Okay, there's a triangle here, you watch there's a triangle here. Okay can break out this triangle, then it should be able to come to 0.755. If it can break through 0.755, it should be able to continue up. Okay, MUHIBBAH get Petronas Cari Gali project rises 5.5%. Okay, look at MUHIBBAH. MUHIBBAH still on the downtrend, but there is a chance that MUHIBBAH after it break through 0.485, it got chance to come back to come back to 0.56 and the top channel here 0.68. Then if you can break out the channel, then it's better. It's a 3-line channel okay, you follow and draw if you are already subscribed to the course. So every day is training every day, not only wait for the Zoom class next week I will start the Zoom class, but every day everything I do everything I draw you follow, then you will be able to understand okay. Okay, this one go through 0.485, then it should be able to go to the top channel here 0.685 okay, but watch 0.565 also but it should be able to go so if it drop below here, finish 0.405. So Hong Leong start to cover OSK give 1.42 okay, so take a look at OSK. Okay, 1.42. Wow, quite high Okay, so it's on the channel so I think this one long term you can consider. If for me I can consider this one long term. Wait for it to drop a bit first so it's on the channel. Wait for it to drop to channel bottom, maybe can try a bit. As long as it is inside this channel if it drop out of this channel, be careful But I will say long term looks good CGV want to get more construction job okay, So let's take a look at CGB. CGB. Okay, CGB got nothing lah. I need to break to 1 ringgit first. Okay, need to break to 1 ringgit first. It's still flat. KMM, okay, KMM drop lah. China, okay, so SFW is working with this China giant, EV giant BYD to bring in their car 500 million tie up. ITMAX profit up this one going to be listed soon Okay, 78%, 6 to 9, 12 million the third quarter. Revenue 21 million to 30 million for 9 months they went up 26%. 21 to 27 million, profit 55 to 71 million revenue so this company not bad Syntex profit up a bit, 4.2% up, 107 million from 102, and revenue also 928 to 1.03 billion up a little bit so let's take a look at Syntex. Syntex maybe double bottom. Okay, if we can hold above 3.4, maybe got chance to continue go but not strong I'll have to wait long time this one. No more momentum. So GAMUDA want to invest in this sustainable investment sustainable energy 2 billion in next 5 years FGV joining this doing this container business already venture into container business So FGV, you know usually talk about FGV dropping. MACC to summon XPM Muhyiddin and Tan Sri Muhyiddin and also because of the public fund and also KAELY, probably KAELY and Tengku Zafrul Okay, so let's take a look at momentum stock. Today I got talk about AAX just take a look at AAX Okay, AAX starting to rebound AAX I'm looking for long term long term means 1 year, 2 years, 3 years wait for it to go back high go back high AAX looking for maybe go back 1 ringgit so you can go 100% this one I'm not asking for goring this one I'm not looking for goring. This one I'm picking the bottom. Pick bottom, either the company goes up flat or it goes how do you call it a collapse. Okay, the company collapse, we lost. Let's say I pick 10. Okay, 2 collapse, 3 didn't move. Okay, 500%. Okay, 5 went up 100%. So I still profit you get what I mean or not? This is how some of the pick bottom strategy some of pick bottom strategy. You cannot pick one only. One only too risky. You pick maybe 10 10. Okay, maybe 1 collapse cannot 2 collapse. No cannot be 10 stock. You pick 10. Pick 2 collapse is 2. Maybe 1 collapse 3 didn't move. 6 went up 50%, 100%, right? Because pick bottom we gonna expect 10%, right? Because we are picking at here bottom So we expect, if we can go back up, go back up to 1 ringgit next time, few years business become very good. Okay. So still profit right? A lot of strategy today So the thing is, how do you know how to pick? Here. How come is this one? Okay, 169, 168 also very cheap. Okay, very cheap. No need to think also. Okay, 1999 is totally don't need to think. This one you think 5 seconds, then you go and register. Okay, so all my Kung Fu 15 chapter, and this one the secret value investment. Okay, Okay, and auto profit strategy and 2-hour Zoom class. So now you don't need Zoom class. Also, every day you are looking at you are watching at my class. I'm drawing everything here. So everything I touch in the class is already here. Except a little bit that is reserved for the course only. A little bit more that is reserved for the course. I don't talk here. But a lot of things, most of the things I talk here, but of course they pay for the course because they got something extra which is very important also extra okay. Where AAX sign continue going okay, sign what happened to sign is like this. It went up already. Okay, so you have auto profit, you use auto profit to chase. Okay, sell signal come already you already untung already right? Already untung 50% already also out, never mind. Okay, now we come back, it rebound again. Okay, so what you want to do? I start again okay, what you want to do now? Sign. Okay, now buy signal came in. Okay, draw a trend line here. Use the line chart, draw a line. Okay, as long as it's above this line, above this trend line should be okay. Continue to keep. And no sell signal. Okay, auto profit, no sell signal. Continue to keep until it give you a sell signal. Okay, or if it goes up if it drop tomorrow, okay, either the the auto profit give you sell signal already, or it drop below this 2.75, which is this trend line. Okay, out. Okay, because as a momentum stock, right? Okay, if you want to push up, it shouldn't drop back down. It shouldn't break this trend line because today you see volume up, RSI rebound here, means you want to push again. If it drop out again means this one fake one. Okay, CF computer farm industry. Computer form. Okay, computer continue to go This one don't dare to chase, already too high already. Don't dare to chase If you dare to chase, you can use the auto profit auto profit. No sell signal, still can keep but this one I don't dare. Here I don't dare. Here I can chase here don't dare to chase but it still goes up Okay, too dangerous this one. KLSE, right? This one also I said I didn't talk about this. Okay, because this is too crazy This morning go up 60% Okay, you see first 15 minutes already goes up 60%. You can't I don't think you got time to buy. Okay, because this is only institution go and play Okay, this one you kena one Okay, so you jump in. If you jump in late if you jump in 9 o'clock, I see 9 o'clock went up 60%. You cannot jump in. Right? You jump in you are the one you will get caught. Now it's coming down already. Will it fly again tomorrow? Nobody know. But this is too dangerous to play. Now still 40% up Nobody managed to count except this institution Something big Something big coming Okay, first 15 minutes already went up So this one you go in after first 15 minutes. You gonna lost already. E-frame this one new one. I never cover this one first time This one too high wait for it to come back already went up too high too high. Wait for it come back down now chase is too late already. Okay, so that's it for today. Want to subscribe the auto profit chart Okay, auto profit course still available Okay, talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.